what it takes to do flow cytometry, you have just been open to it. But I believe that you have been given a solid foundation, a foundation that will help you to build on. And I want to, from now on, hear people talking about flow cytometry. I want to start seeing further and deeper collaborations, and sooner than later seeing articles that we are using flow cytometric methods or data. And this is what I pray for. And so my simple words are that you have imbibed a lot, make use of it, revise, connect with them, connect with your friends, and let us build a cadre of people who will be able to take flow cytometry to the next level in this country. On that note, again, thank you all for also availing yourself. Let's make use of the skills we have acquired. Let's make Ghana proud by using the skills and making use of everything we have, the opportunities to network, the opportunities to even look for grants to be able to do more things. This is my take-home message for you. And this is my closing remarks for you, that whatever we have been able to imbibe, let's make good use of it. Let's network, and let's make Ghana proud. Let's make science proud when it comes to flow cytometry.